Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys talkback setting, and today video title is how to disable talkback in iqoo mobile. Friends, by mistake you have enabled talkback and guys now you want to disable. So how to disable talkback one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So now how to disable talkback friends, you can see one finger we cannot use iqoo mobile. So now how to disable talkback friends, use your two finger and you can scroll and you can disable talkback easily if you use two finger. And friends, if you use one finger you cannot disable talkback. So friends, use your two finger and open your phone setting. One tap on phone setting and friends double tap on phone setting. After double tap friends, click here network setting and again use your two finger and scroll. And friends, click here accessibility setting, shortcut and accessibility setting, and friends double tap here continue. After double tap friends, click here as capture setting and scroll. Friends, click here second last option accessibility setting and double tap. And friends, click here talkback setting and friends double tap here. After double tap friends, click here use talkback and friends double tap here again. And friends, click here stop button and friends double tap again. After double tap get talkback will disable, and friends you can use your iqoo mobile without talkback. One finger you can use your iqoo mobile screen. So like that friends, we can disable talkback from accessibility setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.